Hello everyone, welcome to Shobha's Math Corner. In this video, we are going to discuss about the operations on integers. Let us see addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. First, let us see how to add the integers. Okay, in the first case, if both are positive, for example, if both the integers are positive 2 plus positive 3, then the answer is we have to add together 2 plus 3, it is 5, and the common sign is positive. So when both are positive, our answer also positive. In the same way, if both are negative, if both the integers I am taking as negative 2 plus negative 5. So when we are adding two negative integers, what should I do is I have to add together 2 plus 5, it is 7, and the common sign is negative. When it is different, that is one is positive and another one is negative, then how can I add this? Because both are different, I can't add. So what should I do is I want to subtract. Even though if they are given addition also, I should not add. I have to subtract from the bigger to smaller. So the bigger is 7. So 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. And the bigger number sign is negative. So I will apply the negative sign. Clear, children? Let us see how to subtract now. How to subtract the integers. Okay? In the case of subtraction, when both are positive, positive 5 minus positive 2. So what should I do? 5 minus 2, it is 3. And no sign in this because it is positive only. No, positive 5 minus positive 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3 only. It is positive. If there is no sign, it is positive. And in the second case, positive 3 minus of negative 7. So negative 7 means if they given a minus, then change the sign of this. Take the additive inverse. That is positive 3. Additive inverse of negative 7 is positive 7. Okay, just you take the reverse sign. So we will be taking as positive 7. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Let us see one more example. If it is positive 2 minus of negative 4, then what will be the answer? When it is negative case, what should I do? Write the first number as it is, positive 2. Then when it is negative, they given, take the inverse of it, additive inverse. Negative 4 means you should take it as positive 4. So when you are adding these two, now both are positive. So you can add and write positive 6. Clear, children? Okay, let us see how to do the multiplication of integers. In the case of multiplication, if both also positive, so 2 into 3 is 6 and the common sign is positive. Okay, so if both are positive, then answer part also positive. Sometimes if both are negative, negative 4 into negative 2. So 4 2s are 8. Negative into negative, it will change into positive. Okay. So when it comes the same sign, see here both also positive is positive. When it is both also negative also positive. So when it comes the same sign, then you should apply the positive sign. Okay. When in the case of different sign, for example, negative 3 into positive 2. Here both are different signs. So when it is different sign, you should apply negative. Then multiply the numbers alone. 3 2s are 6. Clear, children? Let us see in short. In this multiplication itself, odd number of times of integers. For example, if the negative sign is repeating, twice, okay. Now I have written the question is negative 2 into 1 into negative 2. So negative is repeating twice. When even number of times is negative, then it is positive. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is positive 4. Okay. So if the negative sign repeats 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, that is even number of negative is positive. And odd number of times negative comes means it is negative. For example, 3 into negative 5. Here the negative sign is only once. So just you multiply 5 3s are 15 and apply the negative sign. So it is negative 15. So one time negative is negative, 2 times negative is positive. Then what about 3 times negative? Negative 3 into negative 1 into negative 2. So if it is 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 3 times negative is negative. Okay, that is odd number of times. Odd number of times negative is negative. Even number of times negative is positive. So 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Clear children now how it is? Is it clear? So even number of times negative, that is 2, 4, 6 times negative is positive. And odd number of times negative sign, that is 1 time, 3 times, 5 times negative sign comes, it is negative only. Okay, let us see how to do the division. Division of integers. For example, if I am taking both also positive, numerator is also a positive number and denominator is also a positive number. For example, positive 5 divided by positive 10. The answer is 5 by 10. It is 1 by 2. Clear? So the sign is positive. Now I am taking one more example. If it is 15 by 3. Now both also positive only. If I didn't put sign, it is positive. So positive of positive is positive. 3 in third table, how many times 15? 5 times. So my answer is positive 5. Okay. Let us see the second example. If both are negative, in negative cases, negative 16 by negative 2. If both also negative, then negative and negative will be cancelled. Okay, both times numerator and denominator negative comes means this negative will be cancelled and I'll be getting as positive. In second table 16 how many times? 8 times. So I'll be getting positive. Understood children? So numerator and denominator negative comments, it is positive. Let us see one more example. Negative 4 by negative 2. What is negative 4 by negative 2? Negative will be cancelled and in second table 4 is twice. So I'll be getting the answer is positive 2. Okay. Then let us see when the different sign comes how it works. For example, negative 15 divided by positive 3. When it is different sign, numerator or denominator, different sign comes, you have to apply the negative sign. Okay, only negative sign. Then third table 15 how many times? 5 times. Clear children? So let us see how the pattern is. If in the division, if both also in numerator and denominator is positive, then it is positive. And in the second case, if the numerator is negative divided by negative, you will be getting the answer as positive. And in different case, for example, numerator is positive and denominator is negative, then it is negative only. When it is different sign, then it is negative. I hope it is clear for you. If it's so, don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. Thank you for watching all.